Welcome back everyone. I am back with another weight loss recipe, which is perfect and quick meal for weight loss. We are making sprouts omelette today. Eggs are a great source of heart-healthy nutrients and are filling, which help with weight management, and when we add veggies to our omelette, it makes it even more flavorful and healthier. So let's get started. For this recipe, we'll need spring onions, sprouts, 2 eggs, thinly sliced spinach, and some tomatoes. We'll start by cracking the eggs and then add salt and black pepper. Give it a mix and then keep it aside. After that, we'll heat up a pan and add a teaspoon of oil and saute the sprouts for 2 to 3 minutes. Cooking kills the bacteria in sprouts, so always cook your sprouts thoroughly. Both eggs and sprouts are high in protein, which can help to regulate the blood sugar levels. Do not remove the sprouts from the pan. Spread them out and pour the eggs into the pan. Now add the spring onions and the tomatoes. You can also add other veggies of your choice like mushrooms, bell peppers, and onions. Then add thinly sliced spinach. Push it into the pan and cook on low to medium heat for 3 to 4 minutes. When you see the edges begin to set, gently slide the spatula under the omelette and flip it carefully to cook on both sides. Do try out this recipe to shed some extra pounds to achieve that dreamy summer body. Our omelette is ready. You can enjoy it with a toast, but I like to have it with roasted potatoes with Italian seasoning and chili flakes. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please share this video with your friends and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.